Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Instapage for responsive form UX best practices, complete guide step by step clearly. First, begin by navigating to the Instapage website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the Create New Page button. Choose a template that suits your project or start from scratch. In the editor, locate the Forms widget in the sidebar. Drag and drop the Forms widget onto your page. Click on the form to customize it. Add fields such as name, email, and phone number as needed. Ensure each field has a clear label. Pay attention to the tab order for navigation ease. Adjust the size of the fields for optimal usability. Design your Submit button to stand out. Customize the button text to make its function clear. Consider adding a confirmation message for after the form is submitted. Integrate third-party services like MailChimp or Salesforce if necessary. Review your form layout for responsive design. Test the form on different devices within the editor. Make adjustments to ensure it is mobile-friendly. Preview your page to see how the form looks. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your page live. Check the functionality of the Monitor user interactions to gather insights for further improvements. Regularly update your forms based on user feedback and analytics. This will help maintain an effective and user-friendly experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.